How to make deep tech house. First, let's set the tempo to 126 ppm and start with a deep kick from a sample pack. Some claps. I'll layer a snare to this. Then we need some fiddle snares to add more groove to the track. And let's add some swing to make this more interesting. There's some short offbeat open hi-hats. Some filler open hi-hats. Some closed hi-hats. Some percussion. Some shakers. And some crashes. Guys, if you're interested in these samples, they're from a sample by Infinity Group. It contains more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, hi-hats, snares, shakers, percussion, loops, and more. These drums work with any genre, for example, techno, house. So if you're interested in these samples, make sure to check it out using the link in description. Then we need some vocals. For that, I'll use this vocal loop.
Ready, 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 ready.
This tonal shot. And this vocal ambience texture. I sidechain the ambient sample to the kick using a limiter. Then we need a rolling deep bass line. I'll layer another one to this and take off the lows so this one won't clash with the other bass. Let's tune them to mono, and use a high cut to take off the highs. Then we need some deep chord steps. As I chain this, dip the lows, and add some saturation. Then a simple synth. I'll just cut the lows from this. Moving on to the second half of the drop, let's add a lead melody. I'll add some delay to this. I want to add some reverb to this, but to keep the mix without muddying, I'll use a parallel channel for that. And sidechain the reverb. Then some pads for tension. I'll just sidechain this. Now that the drop's done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the claps, the close hi-hats, the vocals, and the pads. And after 8 bars, let's add the kick, the snare, the open hi-hats, and the chords. Moving on to the build-up, let's add the synths and some build-up snares. Then some rises. And some downlifters. Now let's duplicate this and change around at the second half to make the track less repetitive. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.